Hey loves! Today I'm sharing a super easy and natural DIY sugar scrub that you'll absolutely adore. It's perfect for radiant skin and uses just two simple ingredients, honey and sugar. First, let's talk benefits. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture into your skin, keeping it hydrated and plump. Plus, it's packed with antioxidants that help reduce signs of aging. Sugar, on the other hand, is an excellent exfoliant. It helps slough off dead skin cells, revealing smoother, brighter skin underneath. Now let's get into the fun part, making the scrub. You'll need 2 tablespoons of honey and 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. Simply mix them together in a small bowl until you get a thick, sticky paste. To use the scrub, start with a clean face. Scoop a small amount of the mixture and gently massage it onto your skin in circular motions. Focus on areas like your nose and forehead where dead skin cells tend to accumulate. Be gentle, no need to scrub too hard. Exfoliation should be a soothing experience. After about 2 to 3 minutes, rinse off the scrub with lukewarm water and pat your face dry with a soft towel. You'll immediately notice how soft and smooth your skin feels. Follow up with your favorite moisturizer to lock in that hydration. And there you have it. A simple, natural way to keep your skin looking radiant and feeling amazing. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more skincare tips and DIY beauty recipes. Thanks for watching, loves. Stay glowing.